Recording.
Hey y'all, it is a beautiful Tuesday morning. I mean, it's a nice Tuesday morning. It's warm, but it's nice. It's probably at about 75, 78 degrees right now. It's not too uncomfortable for 10 o'clock in the morning. But we are hitting Tail of the Dragon, Deals Gap. And the road's going to be wet. Once I got into Tennessee this morning, I noticed all the roads were damp. At least somebody got rain last night. They're going to get rain today too. This route I took today is my 4-hour loop. I just wanted to kill some time. They're doing some tree work in my neighborhood. And they're dumping the wood chips in my yard, so I got about 4 truckloads yesterday, and they say I'll probably get another 2 today. So I figured I'd go out for a motorcycle ride before the truck started coming. I've been taking the chips and burying them under dirt. Well, underneath red, orange, clay dirt. Got to get some organic matter into that clay so I can turn it back into dirt. By this time next year, I want to be picking fresh vegetables out of my garden. And you can't do that with orange clay. Hard, rocky orange clay. I feel there's not enough traffic on this road today to both clean it off and dry it up. But this is what Deals Gap looks like after a good rainstorm. Tuesday morning in July, and there's no one at the overlook. You guys want to come on the weekends. I have this feeling we're not going to be catching anybody on this road today. Oh, I spoke too soon. We already caught a truck. Spoke too soon. Oh, that is nice. Thank you. I'm thinking some weekdays it must be boring to be sitting up here as a photographer. I run out of things to think about. Back in the olden days, when I was in the Marine Corps, I used to buy guard duty. And that was late 80s, early 90s. And guard duty used to cost 20 bucks. If you wanted somebody to stand guard for you, it was 20 bucks. It was more, a little bit more on the weekend. But I'd buy guard duty. As soon as I got off work, I would run down to the guard shack and I'd sign up to walk the chicken coop. For those of you that don't know, the chicken coop is the armory. And you're walking around a building that typically has about a 12-foot barbed wire fence, or well, 12-foot chain link fence with like barbed wire, concertina wire, razor wire, whatever you want to call it, at the top. And if you're walking the chicken coop, you have 3 magazines, 20 rounds each, and it is a 4-hour post. And 4 hours is really nothing. But on a weekend, when you have weekend guard duty, it's usually 8 hours. They put you out somewhere for 4 hours, and then you have 12 hours off, and then you have 4 hours on again, and then your guard duty shift is over. But if you walk